Hello, my name is Courtney Horvath. I am in EDCI 270, and today I'm going to be explaining my Kahoot. Basically, I'm going to be clicking play as if I was a student. It's currently loading. Shit. Okay. Hello, my name is Courtney Horvath. I am in EDCI 270, and today I'm going to be talking about my Kahoot and the challenge that I've created, the quiz that I've created for my future students. So right now I'm in my Kahoot. I'm showing the basic questions that I've created. I can click show the answers, but I'm not currently going to do that. I can choose how many seconds it's going to be shown, and if I want to put any images with it, and which questions I'm going to be showing, and in which order. So I'm going to just preview it as if I was a student. As you can see over in this corner, it's showing as if I'm playing on a cell phone. And now I'm going to put the pin number in so anybody can join the game. Okay, this pin number. And once the pin number isn't, the students can create a nickname. I'm just going to put my first name. That's my nickname. And then basically how Kahoot works, it will ask you a question, and then the question is, what is the first step in the ruminant digestion? And then you're going to look at the 4 choices and pick which one you think is right. And you're going to click it on your game, which is this, and it'll show you whether you've gotten it incorrect. And another thing with the Kahoot, you can see if there were more players, you can see which players got it correct, or how many players got it correct, along with what the most popular choice and answer was. And, like, let's say a student got this wrong, you could see that an example is if this were 20, you could see that 20 students got it. Shows that the gizzard was the first step in the ruminant digestion. And so then I could explain to my classroom about, and I could see where my students are struggling, and then the teacher could see where the students were struggling, along with the importance of using an assessment tool such as Quizlet, such as Kahoot, which is very beneficial to both the teachers and the students. And at the end of the game, there's 15 questions, so I'm not gonna go through them all, but at the end of the game, it'll ask if the student has learned anything and how they felt about the game, and some basic questions like that. And it'll also show who were in the first 3 places, and this could be very beneficial to the teacher, because the teacher can make the first 3 players have an incentive. You could make it an incentive to win by giving the first 3 players extra credit on the quiz.